Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Kenya. Hi, it's Recho in the kitchen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Everyday Kenya. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. You'll be the first one to get notice when I upload my new videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make stir-fry beef with rice noodles. It's a Chinese dish, very easy, you can make at home, very delicious. Let me take you through my ingredients. I have bell peppers, yellow, green and red. You can use those, very nice. I have mushroom, you can put amount you want. I have 8. These are called baby peas, you can put. I have 3 cloves of garlic I've mashed. I have 3 onions I've cut in squares. I have leeks I've cut nicely. I have my beef here. I've marinated overnight. So I'm going to tell you what I have marinated. I have put 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I've mixed properly. I've put in fridge overnight. If you are cooking immediately, you can marinate it and put for 30 minutes. I have 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. I have half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of Agino Moto. I have some lemon I'm going to squeeze. I have black pepper, not the powder. Here I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. I have 9 tablespoons of cooking oil. And of course, I'm going to use some water. I have my rice noodles, 400 grams. I have soaked in water for 2 hours. Make sure you soak fast before you boil. First, we are going to fry our beef. I'm going to put some oil, not all of it. You spread in your pan. Then you let it heat. This one you need full heat. Then we are going to put our beef. We are just going to fry it till the color change. Then we are going to remove it. And put aside in a plate. Then I'm going to return my pan, put my gas on, add some oil. We are going to put our ginger, our onions, red and the leek. Don't put the hohos immediately because we don't want the hohos to cook so much. Our onions are ready. We are going to remove and put on our beef. Bring the pan on. Put some oil. Spread it. Remember, this dish needs full heat. My oyster and soy sauce. going to add my beef and my onion. I'm going to add lemon. In the cornstarch which I mix with water. I'm going to make my rice noodles. I've soaked them for 2 hours. My water has boiled. Now I'm going to boil. And I'm going to boil it for 4 minutes to 5 minutes, then it will be done. Noodles are ready. I want to go and drain the water. Carefully. Noodles to stick and continue overcooking. You rinse with cold water. It will not stick and become mushy. This is noodles. I'm going to add some oil. Thank you so much for watching out my video. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Press the bell icon, please. Thank you so much. See you next week, episode 12. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everyday Kenya.